A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the eternal wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita, where competency, devotion and action forge triumph. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita, one of the most revered scriptures of humanity, concludes with a profound declaration. Wherever there is Krishna, the Lord of all yoga, and wherever there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will also certainly be unending opulence, victory, prosperity, and righteousness. This verse encapsulates a timeless truth that the union of divine guidance, human competency, and resolute action inevitably leads to triumph. The message is not confined to a mythological past, but remains an eternal beacon of hope for every individual navigating the battlefield of life. In an era of relentless conflict and uncertainty, the wisdom of the Gita stands as an underlying guide to clarity, strength, and ultimate success. What makes triumph possible? Skill alone or the wisdom that refines it? Competency alone or the action that manifests it? The answer lies in the sacred dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna. At the heart of this verse lies the sacred partnership between Krishna and Arjuna. Krishna, the divine presence, did not wield weapons but held the reins of Arjuna's chariot, signifying his role as the supreme guide. Arjuna, though blessed with unparalleled skill and valor, found himself engulfed in doubt and despair, weakened by the turbulence of his own mind. Despite his physical prowess, his spirit wavered, clouded by uncertainty and fear. Krishna, knowing the depths of Arjuna's turmoil, provided him with wisdom, dispelled his confusion, and anchored his wavering mind with divine clarity. The battlefield of Kurukshetra was not merely a war zone, but a metaphor for life's ceaseless trials. Every individual at some point finds themselves in Arjuna's place, capable yet hesitant, skilled yet unsure, burdened by expectations yet reluctant to act. In such moments, the Gita offers an eternal lesson. Competency must be coupled with devotion to the higher wisdom that guides and protects, and it must manifest through decisive action. Arjuna's transformation from doubt to resolve, from weakness to unwavering strength, was not a result of divine intervention alone, but of his recognition of his own potential, fueled by his faith in Krishna's guidance and his readiness to act upon it. Krishna's words did not impose actions upon Arjuna, but illuminated his duty. By surrendering his fears and aligning himself with righteousness, Arjuna rose beyond his anxieties and engaged fully in his mission. His triumph was not merely a victory in battle, but a triumph of the spirit, overcoming self-doubt, reclaiming clarity, and acting with purpose. His success was not just personal, it became a beacon for others, an affirmation that when clarity and competency are accompanied by unwavering faith and determined action, triumph is inevitable. What's the way forward? The wisdom of the Gita transcends time and space. The modern world, much like the battlefield of Kurukshetra, is fraught with conflicts, dilemmas, and uncertainties. Every individual faces moments of hesitation, where doubts cloud judgment and fear weakens resolve. However, the eternal truth remains. Competency, when aligned with devotion to higher wisdom and translated into action, leads to success. Arjuna's lesson is for every individual striving in their respective domains, be it leadership, professions, personal struggles, or moral dilemmas. Competency alone can make one skilled, but without clarity and devotion to truth, it remains directionless. Conversely, faith without action is incomplete. The synergy of all three, competency, devotion, and resolute action, is the key to not just success but ultimate triumph. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita's message is as relevant today as it was on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. The fusion of human excellence with divine wisdom expressed through purposeful action ensures not only the fulfillment of duty but also the realization of a higher purpose. When one harnesses their capabilities, aligns them with a higher truth, and acts with unwavering determination, victory is not just probable, but it is inevitable. The lesson remains: wisdom, courage, and compassion, empowered by devotion to the eternal cosmic truth and translated into decisive action, pave the way to triumph both in the material and spiritual realms. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.